Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to withdraw your money from Bet365. First thing you need to do is to open the Bet365 website or mobile app. Log into your account, then click on Tap on the Cashier option. Next, select Withdraw tab from the menu. If this is your first withdrawal, Bet365 will ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a copy of your ID and proof of address. Now, on the withdrawal screen, select a payment method. This will usually be the same one you used to deposit. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, then click Continue. You'll be redirected to your chosen payment provider. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm and authorize the withdrawal request. Once confirmed, Bet365 usually processes withdrawals within 1 to 4 hours, though it can take longer depending on your bank or provider. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other tutorials.